Hello, beautiful people. I was going to talk to you today about my MR2. Yeah, that thing. So here she is, a little dirty on jack stands. Well, a jack stand. Quick walk around. Some shitty flares somebody put on it. Still has full interior. Pretty good shape. Let's check out the money shot here. The trick to getting the hatch open, strong fingers. There it is. Alright, here's the money shot, boys. Best mod ever. Strut tower. Okay, let's get to the point here. So this is the 3S GTE, 4th generation. I have a prime harness, prime swap kit, as most of you can already tell. Everything should, it should run technically the way it's hooked up, but I get a click. And this thing's bled, the clutch is bled, it's ready to roll. Just gotta bleed the cooling system. But here's the problem. We get in the car, go to start it, and there's no battery in it. 1 second, I'll be right back, guys. Alright, we're back, and we have hooked up the battery. When I was back here, I wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of what's going on in the trunk. A lot of this stuff is just temporary. I'm going to mount it all and whatnot, but got the battery hooked up, connector, a wireless OBD reader, that's a piece of shit, doesn't work. The COR, circuit opening relay. This is the standard one that came with the vehicle, the harness that I got. Thought it was bad, replaced it, still nothing. Third brake light, ECM, and an MSD switch that's Prime provided for the tach adapter. Alright, back to the problem at hand. When we go to start this beautiful piece of machinery here, which I do love this car, as of right now I fucking hate it, but as you fellas can see, and ladies, we do have a check engine light, power, but we go to turn the key. Here we go, so you get a good angle. I don't know if it's picking it up on the video or not, so I'm gonna do a quick run over to the engine bay. Here we go, I'm gonna turn the key. So I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but there's just a single click. You can hear the fuel pump priming, which I have the 255 that Prime provided for us. And I just get a single click. I have tested continuity to the starter. I've tested all my connections. Everything at the, the starter relay seems all good. Everything tests correct, but I'd like to say a huge shout out to Doug Copeland and Brian from Prime Performance, and I believe Doug's from Wire Gap. They've been helping me along the way. Doug's gave me a lot of stuff to test, and he swears up and down it's a grounding issue, but I'm at a loss here, guys. Looking for some help, constructive criticism. Thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe. We're gonna have this puppy up and running, doing a little drifting, doing a little drag racing. Have a good day, boys.